In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Supabase database. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard to turn on managed backups so you can reliably export a copy of your database when you need it. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard and head to the projects area. This is where all your databases live. Choose the project you want to export from. If you manage multiple projects, double check you're selecting the correct one to avoid confusion later. Inside the project, open the database section. This is your hub for everything related to schemas, configuration, and backups. Look over to the left-hand sidebar and expand the platform area. You'll see a backups option there. Go ahead and open it. This page is where Supabase surfaces your managed backups and where you'll be able to export them. If you're on the free plan, you'll notice a notice explaining that project backups aren't included. That's expected behavior. Managed backups, which enable easy exports, are part of paid plans. To proceed, choose the Enable Add-on option. This will take you to billing so you can activate backups for your project. On the billing page, you'll see plan options. The Pro plan includes daily backups stored for 7 days. This is a solid choice for smaller teams or projects that only need a short retention window. If you need more history, the Team plan provides daily backups stored for 14 days, giving you twice the retention and a bit more flexibility when rolling back or exporting a copy from earlier in the month. Pick the plan that fits your needs and confirm the change. Once the add-on is enabled, return to the backups page in your project. You'll start seeing scheduled backups appear automatically based on the plan you selected. From here, you can export your database by downloading the backup you want to use. Keep an eye on the timestamp to ensure you're exporting the correct snapshot, especially if you're coordinating with a deployment or a data migration. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you have the right permissions in your Supabase organization to manage billing and backups. Note the retention window of your plan so you don't rely on backups that may expire. It's also a good idea to periodically verify that backups are running as expected, and if possible, test a restore in a non-production environment so you're confident in your recovery process. That's all you need to enable backups and export your Supabase database. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.